everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today actually I'm going to review one product that is going to be from the Rene Cosmetics. Y'all must have heard of their Fab 5, or I think somewhat you call it, that lipstick that comes in that pencil kind of form. You just have to take one, push it back, and like that is very famous product right now and it is in trend. So that is why I have not purchased that product, because you can find lot of review videos for that on YouTube. But to my surprise, when I checked the review for this particular makeup remover balm, talking about this product, it is from Rene Cosmetics makeup remover balm. Okay, to my surprise, when I just went to YouTube just to check the review of this product, I couldn't find a single one. So what I thought, rather reviewing that lipstick or something for you, I thought of reviewing this product. It is from it is their makeup removing balm and it is for 30 grams. The MRP of this particular product is 290 rupees, but definitely I think you can find this product on 10 to 20% off. So I got this product, I think, from Flipkart. I'll give you the buying link in the description box. This is easily available on Flipkart, Amazon, as well as on their own website, which is Rene Cosmetics. So you can definitely find these products, and I think there are other lot of websites. Whatever websites this product is available, I'll link this in the description box, or else it will be pinned in the comment section. So you can go ahead and you can check it. Alright, it comes in 30 grams of pack like this. You all can see. This is the packaging. It comes in a small plastic black colored packaging. It says Rene makeup removing balm 30 grams, and on the back side, that is on the other sides of the particular tub, they have given you each and every detail, right? And as well as they have given you the manufacturing and expiry. You can this product is manufactured in January 21, and you can use this product till December 23. So 21, 22, 23, total 3 years shelf life you are going to get. This is total vegan product, okay, and it is cruelty free. It is written made in India and for external use only. And if you want to see the ingredients and everything, ingredients is given on the box itself. You all can check over here on the box they have given you. Okay, and like how it is marketed by and all the other details and everything is given, and how to use is also given. How to use this, in this they say apply required quantity on your skin, massage gently, wipe away with cotton pad. So what I'll be doing is, I have right now actually full face of makeup. In this there are 3 products of which I am doubtful of. One is the lipstick. It is Maybelline Super Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it is in the shade Seeker. This is what I am having on my lips. The other product which I am having a doubt is on my eyeshadow. Generally I don't apply eyeshadow. I am not an eyeshadow girl, but just for the sake of this video I have applied eyeshadow. So we'll check the eyeshadow part as well as I am little bit doubtful for this liquid illuminating cream. That is what I have applied. It is from L'Oreal. It is their Lumi Magic Lumi cream. Okay, I'll give you this link if you want in the comment section. You can ask me. I'll give you any of the product link whichever I have applied on my face, right? And so what we will do is, we will just begin with the I have told you, already shown you the outside packaging. It's like normal black packaging, and it comes with this is the inside. Even for me, this is going to be the first impression, because I want to try this product in front of you all, right? We will just quickly compare this product with this particular Stay Quirky makeup removing balm. So outer packaging, there is no much difference. This is Rene Cosmetics and this is Stay Quirky look to glam to give a damn. That is what is like makeup removing balm. This is the Stay Quirky packaging and this is the Rene Cosmetics. Basically both the products are for 30 grams. But here the catch is, y'all can see the packaging, inner packaging. This is Rene Cosmetics, this is Stay Quirky. This also has 30 grams, even this has 30 grams. But y'all can compare the size of the jar. Y'all can see. Because the Stay Quirky jar is a glass jar. This is a plastic tub. So if you talk about environmental friendly and all, then definitely glass jar is more. This is not, because since this is plastic. But this is reusable. You can reuse this, and this also you can reuse, but if it breaks, you cannot reuse. So this is just a simple side-by-side comparison. I wanted to make it for you. If you want to have a review on this particular product, I've already done a special video. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can check. Basically, I have compared this particular product with their makeup removing, I think, gel. That is what they call. I have compared that two products. Which one you should go for? I have done half side, like side by side comparison, half side with balm and half side with gel. So you can go ahead and you can watch that video. Keeping that aside, now we will talk about this product. What I'll do is, I'll just take the product on my face, I'll massage it, and then what I'll do, I won't use cotton, I will be using my napkin, which I always use to remove my makeup. So I'll be using this and we will just check how it works. So I'll be just doing it right now. We will just take a little bit of quantity and we will just try to rub, or else what I'll do is, I'll pause the video, I'll do it, and then I'll show you. First we will just apply a little bit. I'll just try to warm it up a little bit in between my fingers, and I'll just try to it is removing. You all can see inside there are foundation traces which is on my hand. So I'll suggest you, if possible, take a little spatula or something. Try to remove half lipstick in front, and then after that I'll remove half of the lipstick, or maybe I'll try to remove full. After removing the lipstick, I'll go to the eyeshadow one part, then off the camera I'll just do the half part and I'll come back, right? I'll just remove the lipstick. Yes, it is removing. Now I'll just take a little bit, and also I have waterproof mascara. I think half part is done. What I'll do is, I'll just remove it right now in front, and then off the camera I'll do the half part. I'll just remove first the half part. You all can see. I'll start with my eyes only, and I do not feel any kind of sensation or any burning sensation or anything on my face, or nor even in my eyes. You all can see. Right, this is the makeup it has removed from one part. Now what I'll do is, this is like, I'll just show you, this is with makeup, this is without makeup. Now what I'll do is, I'll just apply on half part, I'll remove it, and then I'll come back on the camera. Now you all can see I've removed the total makeup with the makeup removing balm. Of course, I have not used actually a spatula. I should use a spatula. Next time I'll keep in mind, I'll sit with some spatula. You all can see this much quantity I have used to like remove the full face of makeup. Right, and if I have not told you, I forgot to tell you, but the mascara which I had applied, I told you 3 things I'm worried of. One thing was my lipstick, which was Maybelline Superstay Matting Seeker. The other thing was mascara. It is a Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara. I think that mascara, I have also made one separate video for that. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. That is a waterproof mascara. In my whole collection, I have only one mascara which is waterproof. So I applied that mascara, and also one third thing was my eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I have used 2 eyeshadow sticks, because you all know I'm not an eyeshadow girl and I cannot sit and do my eyeshadows, and I'm not that perfect. So I used the 2 eyeshadow stick. One is from K Beauty, and other one is, I think, I forgot the name. Actually, I have also done that video comparing that 2 products. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can check that video as well. I have applied that, I had applied that on my eyelids. So it is already removed. Now what I'll do is, this is my tissue paper. We will just actually, after removing makeup, we should do double cleanser. Right, that is, we should always use our cleanser, normal face cleanser. But right now I have not used. I just want to see how much this makeup removing balm removes the makeup, and that is why I've just taken a tissue. This is normal tissue. We just want to see whether any traces of makeup are there on the face or no. Of course, double cleansing is required. I am rubbing my face like, yes, you all can see, and there are little bit of traces. This is on one side. I'll take here. I should not rub this vigorously, but I want to see. Yes, there are little bit traces of makeup on my face, so definitely double cleansing is required. In any case, we should do. So I think I have covered each and every point in this video. I have shown you the demo as well. I have shown you each and everything, and this removes the waterproof mascara as well as the waterproof, that is the super stay lipstick, which is a biggest deal for me, because that lipstick, to remove that lipstick is a pain. Now you will say, Meghna, you have little bit of water in your eyes. Definitely my eyes are very sensitive. Whenever I remove even eyeliner also, my eyes always starts watering. I can use, I use Vadi cleansing milk, or I use any kind of Maybelline cleansing water or anything, I always have that kind of sensation in my eyes, and the same thing is happening with this also. So I will not blame this product, it is only my eyes which is little bit extraordinary sensitive. So not at all, this product is there is no problem with this product. And if I have not told you, it is having little bit of fragrance, but what kind of flower kind of fragrance. So definitely this is having little bit of fragrance, but of course after applying and after removing, you cannot feel any kind of perfume or any kind of scent on your face. So yeah, that is all. If you are liking this video, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking this video. If yes, give it the huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. Please don't go without commenting and liking the video. You people just come, watch the video and just go away. Don't do that. Please comment down. Please also like the video and share the video. And don't forget to ever subscribe, because your subscription will not cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make more and more such kind of videos and to get such kind of content. And whatever content you are watching on my video, that all are not at all sponsored. I always spend my own money and I get everything. Even this is I got from my own money. So if I am doing this much, at least I urge you, I request you to please subscribe and like this video. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.